So I'm really excited to show you this sweet new addition that we added to our Blackstone griddle. It's a 30. It's a 36-inch, and I just want to talk to you about the surround table and actually the metal lid for it as well. So I'm going to go over that with you real quick, show you that. But you know, in the meantime, definitely hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Really appreciate that. We put out a lot of information and stuff like that on Blackstone griddles. We have some great stuff on seasoning, and one of our most popular videos is my take on seasoning the 17-inch Blackstone griddle. So check them out. I think you like them too. But real quick, just to jump in here, we started off with the 36-inch Blackstone griddle, and since then we added a surround table, and we added just this, it's like a steel lid. And what I love about this is if you can hear any kind of wind here, we live in Wyoming and it's windy as hell here. So there's very few days that you actually get to come outside and griddle and not have wind. So my biggest problem with this griddle at first is I had to stuff tin foil in there. If you had to do that, it's a pain, but I had to stuff the tin foil in there because it kept blowing out the flame.
The air got to it. The air got to it!
So I looked all over online, I watched YouTube videos, and nobody would show this really cool feature, the surround table. There's actually almost essentially like a wind guard built in, which is really nice. So I'll kind of show you here real quick down here. Now typically right here is where you would see like the space if you're familiar with the Blackstone griddle, and that just runs all the way around. Well, what's really neat about this is this surround table's got like a wind guard feature here. So, and I don't know if they made it that way on purpose, but it is awesome. So if you have to deal with wind or anything like that, this wind guard is automatically in here. And then plus, I'll tell you, just having it there, at first I was like, I don't know, will we use it that much? But it's so cool just to have that quick, space right there just to drop something down if you need to. So we added that addition. And then of course the second one is we actually store our griddle outside. We have some pretty harsh winters, of course the wind and stuff. But to actually cover the griddle top, we have the Blackstone cover that's in that 36-inch video as well. The only problem is if you've used the Blackstone cover, or any cover over these really, after a period of time it starts dipping right in the middle. So then I think you end up building this condensation on top of your griddle hardtop. So what we did is we bought this, not only just to protect it, so when it's outside, which is a really good idea, but we also got it too, so in the winter when it's sitting there, it's basically you're not going to have anything pushing down on your griddle top. So that's been a really sweet feature. One thing with this hard cover here is underneath you can kind of see there's these two hooks, and that basically hooks onto the back of the griddle. Being that we have the surround table, we don't really utilize that, but what's nice about them too is it puts that weight on the griddle, so then it's not dipping in the front. So that is pretty much it. Like I said, if you've just got the basic 36-inch Blackstone griddle, highly recommend taking a look at this, checking out the surround table. I will put a link in the description of this video, so if you are interested in these items here, definitely check the description of the video, because there'll be a link in there for you to go purchase it if it's something that you think you need. So awesome features for the Blackstone. Check it out, and be sure to leave me a comment as well, just because it's we like to hear what you have to say. We like to hear the feedback and stuff like that, so I'd really appreciate any comments that you can leave as well. So but awesome. Well, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.
Let it move.